What's up guys, BronzeTech back, and here is a yearly review of my desk setup. Some things I added throughout the year, so let's just get into it. So I've been using this desk setup for the past year, and it really gives me a place to focus and do work and also enjoy some games every once in a while. I also use this setup to make music and edit my YouTube videos, so this workplace is really a tool for success. So let's introduce some of the things I added to my desk setup for 2021. So go ahead and like the video for the premiere of my latest track, Woozy. So one major change I made this year was that I stained my desk. The whole process took about 4 days, and the smell of the coating that you use after can take about a month. Regardless, I thought that this was worth it, and it helped coat my desk to make it last longer. I think light wood looks great, but white with dark wood looks greater, and it just matches overall. Another thing to note is that I also added yoga blocks to the bottom of my speakers, and that's actually just a cheap trick that you can do to make sure the bass doesn't hit the desk. So another new addition to my desk setup is the new ITX case, the Ghost S1. This is a very popular premium ITX case made out of a single block of milled aluminum, so the quality of the case is high quality and much more premium than any other ITX case that I've had before. I left a screenshot of the specs right there, and also I've added a yoga block as well. So for air cooling, I decided to use the Noctua that was specifically made for this, and it's super quiet. Definitely cools a Ryzen 5 3600 properly, and I only have one fan on the bottom of the case, so definitely love that it's super quiet. So leave a comment if you guys like ITX cases. I could do a more in-depth review of this small form factor PC. I also have to shout out to my sponsor for sending me products that I actually needed for my desk setup. Grovemade sent me these felt coasters and an extra large mouse pad. This is an easy way to add some color and design to your desk, and I think gray matches well with the dark wood of the new stain. Keep in mind, I'll always have links of these products in the description. So my favorite product from them is definitely this wooden modern laptop stand. So this raises the laptop and allows you to view your panel at eye level. And I definitely like the ergonomic feel when you're typing. Definitely worth it if you guys rock an laptop only desk setup. So speaking of ergonomics, I converted my desk to a standing desk, and I definitely like it because I do have back problems, and for a full-time job, it's definitely useful to switch back and forth between seated position and a standing position. In addition, if you haven't already checked out my video from last year, some of the gear has stayed the same. I'm still going to talk about my Alienware monitor because it is the centerpiece of my desk setup. This IPS Ultrawide is a monitor that has superb color accuracy for editing videos, playing games, and consuming content. Not much has advanced in the monitor world these days. I bought this for around $500 from Amazon Warehouse, and nowadays you can probably find it for around the same price still if you look around for a good deal. Overall, an Ultrawide is a versatile piece of tech that I highly recommend in investing, especially if you could take advantage of its unique 21:9 aspect ratio for different windows, and I did a video on why I think Ultrawides are worth it, so go ahead and check that out here. Okay, so that wraps up this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope it inspired you guys to kind of keep adding things to your desk setups and just making your overall productivity space more fun to work with. And happy holidays, guys. I'll keep uploading a couple more laptop videos and reviews, and then also I will upload a top 3 laptops for the year. So definitely like and subscribe and hit that notification button so you guys can stay updated right before the year ends.
Wait.